नमस्कार, मैं अजय दहिया, टीजीटी मैथमेटिक्स, केवी मासिमपुर। आज जिस टॉपिक के बारे में हम बात करने वाले हैं वो टॉपिक है हमारा फिटनेस एंड वेलनेस थ्रू द स्पोर्ट्स। सो टुडे वी विल अंडरस्टैंड द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स इन आवर लाइफ। सबसे पहले अगर हम बात करें एक हेल्दी पर्सन, हु इज़ ए हेल्दी पर्सन? A healthy person is a person who is physically, mentally and socially fit. So to keep yourself fit and to be fit, sports is a major tool that helps us to stay fit and healthy. So if we see the importance of the sports, we will discuss the importance of sports in our life. We will discuss its value one by one. If we see the first fit and improves our body skills. So that is the first point. But if we come to the next point, in nowadays there is a problem of depression and anxiety. Many people are facing these kind of health problem that is related to the depression and anxiety. So sports is the best tool to cure this, because when we do the sports, we do the physical activities through the sports, our body secretes some kind of hormones that fight against that kind of disease. That is, it removes the depression, it removes the anxiety, and it makes us happy and healthy. So if we discuss furthermore, sports gives us a chance to challenge ourselves. It gives us the option to challenge your skills, to challenge your ability to do much and more better. If you are doing less, then sports gives you a chance to prove your best, to give your best. And if we discuss further, it improves the stamina of our body and as well as the concentration of our mind. So it is fit, it is helpful for our health as well as mental health. So if we discuss another point that gives us the chance of high and low of winning throughout our life, because in sports sometimes we lose the game, sometimes we win the game. That is directly related to our life. In our life we get the chances where we lose, where we sometimes we get. So it shows us a direct chance to get our lifestyle under the control. Next, that point that comes very important during this time of pandemic COVID. As we can see, we are just stuck in our home. We are just not getting the perfect chance to do some physical stuff. So sports provide us that chance, and the sports also provide that chance of doing the exercise with our family members. It gives a chance to get together, to do the exercise, to keep ourselves fit and to be a role model to the others also. And the next thing, if we do the sports, we get the chance to meet the person that are like us, having same interest area. So we make the friends also, that create a social relationship, that creates the harmony inside our society. So sports, if we see overall, that gives us the chance to be physically, mentally and socially fit and fine. And our KVS, that is doing the best part in doing that thing. KVS is taking out the initiative to give the chance to the students, to the people, to their family, to connect all the people and to do use their ability and capacity to give their best. And some kind of initiative that is taken by the KVS are Fit India and Swasth Bache, Swasth Bharat. So at the last, I will sum up by saying this, that keep playing, be like a sports person in the sportsmanship, teaches us to stay together, to live together, to fight against the problems, and at the last, stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you so much.